Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. As you can see, I'm standing on a brand new right-handed switch. All right, we're going to take a look at this brand new right-handed switch that they're going to replace from this one over here, probably in the next few weeks. We'll take a look at all the numbers and verbiage on here. I'm not sure what a lot of this stuff means, but if you guys can leave a comment below. I'm going to have to watch my step as I cross over these ties here. You guys can tell me what a lot of this stuff means, but I guess that's a right-handed frog. This looks pretty interesting. It doesn't look like if you notice the frog here, it looks like if a train came and made a right hand here, looks like it would jump the track. Not unless that's well, I don't even know what that is. So if you guys know, tell me. But this is interesting. This looks kind of high and bent on this side. Make our way down here. Roanoke truck. A lot of numbers and stuff on here, like I said earlier. Hopefully you guys can see all that. Just gotta watch my step. Different rails, different numbers. This is pretty cool. There's a plate here, but it's upside down, so let me see if I can get that in focus there. An important notice. Hopefully you can read that. Well, there you have it. There's just some of the interesting facts on that right-hand turnout. Like I said earlier, leave a comment below on what a lot of those numbers mean. We'll take a walk down the tracks and show you where they're going to lay this new right-hand turnout. Yeah, we might catch a train today too. That frog doesn't look too beat up. This area right here is where they're going to cut the tracks, lay the new one. That light's been green for about an hour or so, so I'm not sure what's going on. Let's take the drone up. Well, that was pretty cool seeing that brand new right-hand turnout. Amazing all the information that's on those rails there. A lot of it I knew and a lot of it I didn't know. So if you guys could leave a comment below on what a lot of that stuff means, that would be very appreciative. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.